The Nuie Eden Gloss White 600mm Vanity Unit with Basin is a stunning addition to any bathroom, available here at Bella Bathrooms. With its sleek gloss white finish, this spacious vanity unit exudes style and will match every decor. The unit is supplied rigid, making installation a breeze, saving time and effort. Say goodbye to slammed doors and pinched fingers, thanks to the double soft close doors that always ensure a gentle and quiet closing. Inside, you'll find one internal shelf providing ample storage space for all your bathroom essentials. Keep your space clutter-free and organized. The vitreous china basin adds a special touch to the overall design, while the overflow feature offers peace of mind. Uncover the perfect combination of style and practicality with the Nuie Eden Gloss White 600mm Vanity Unit with Basin. Transform your bathroom into a beautiful sanctuary where style meets practicality. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie Eden range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.